Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish verb. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to download flashcards as well. That supports this channel greatly. So if you want to download some of them, you can check out the link down below. Also, remember that there is a sale happening right now only for this week. One flashcard set is 35% off, so don't miss out, and I'm leaving the link to that as well in the video description down below. Okay, also if you want to get a membership on this channel, the perks are right here, and that supports this channel as well. Okay, let's get started. The Spanish word of the day is empezar. Empezar. And as I said previously, this is a verb. Do you know the meaning of this verb? This verb means to start or to begin. And this verb is irregular, which means that it has a unique conjugation. Regular verbs conjugate pretty much the same. They have certain endings, and irregular verbs, they're just like rebels. They don't care and they have their own conjugation. Okay, let's see the first example. Empecemos esta lección. Empecemos esta lección. This means let's start this lesson. Okay, so we can see empecemos right here. And the meaning is start. When you are going to start doing something, you can use this verb, empezar. Empezar. This verb is very similar to comenzar. Comenzar. Let's see another example. No empieces a decir groserías. No empieces a decir groserías. This means don't start swearing. So something that you should remember is that no empieces a, that phrase is very common, and it pretty much means don't start. No empieces a, and then decir groserías means swearing. Okay, that's quite interesting. Okay, now let's see another example. Miguel empezó a cantar una canción muy bonita. Miguel empezó a cantar una canción muy bonita. This means Miguel started singing a very nice song. We can see the verb here, and it's in present tense. So Miguel was singing, right? Miguel empezó. Miguel started a cantar, singing, una canción, a song, muy bonita, very nice. Miguel empezó a cantar una canción muy bonita. Miguel started singing a very nice song. Okay, let's see more examples using this verb. Just need to erase this. Okay. Empecemos a trabajar. Empecemos a trabajar. This means let's start or begin working. We can see this is a very common word to say when you're going to start doing something or when you're beginning to do something. You can use empecemos. Empecemos a trabajar. Okay? Let's start or begin. And then a trabajar, working. So pretty much you gotta say the phrase empecemos a. Empecemos a. And then you can change trabajar. You can change it to comer, right? And that means let's start eating, right? So that's quite interesting. If you say empecemos a, that means let's start or let's begin, and then whatever you want to start doing, okay? So that's very interesting. Okay, let's see another example. El jefe empezó la junta 1 hora tarde. El jefe empezó la junta 1 hora tarde. This means the boss began the meeting an hour late. Okay, so this is past tense as well, or preterite. We can see empezó, and it means began. El jefe, the boss, began, empezó, la junta, the meeting, 1 hora tarde. An hour, oh my God, what am I doing? 1 hora tarde, an hour late. Okay, so that's another way to use empezar. When something begins, like a meeting or, I don't know, an event or something like that as well. Okay, now let's see the last example. Miguel siempre empieza su día con un buen desayuno. Miguel siempre empieza su día con un buen desayuno. This means Miguel always starts or begins his day with a good breakfast. So we can see that empieza is right here, and it means starts or begins. Okay, so Miguel siempre, Miguel always, empieza or starts/begins su día, his day, con un buen desayuno, with a good breakfast. That's pretty delicious. I actually need to eat breakfast. Some people don't like eating breakfast. I don't know how they can do it. Tell me in the comment section down below if you love eating breakfast or if you just don't eat it. I would like to know that for sure. And that's it. So essentially, empezar means to start or to begin. Okay, so we know that it can be used in different situations, and also it's an irregular verb. So remember that it has its own conjugation, and of course the meaning is to start or to begin. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and also to download flashcards. And they're amazing, and they're gonna help you learn a lot of things in Spanish. You can learn colors in Spanish, the conjugation of the verb ser and estar, which are very, very good. And also I have a new set about different common and important Spanish verbs starting with the letter A. There are 24 verbs that you can learn. All those verbs are very common, and I thought it would be a good idea to have all the verbs starting with the letter A. Later on, I will release more sets about different verbs starting with different letters as well. Also, there's a sale. You can purchase this flashcard set for only $3.57. So that is like a very good price. If you want to purchase that, click on the link down below. Also, that's gonna last 1 week, so hurry up and get yours. Another way to support the channel is by getting a membership. All the perks are right here. Also, you can donate through PayPal. The links all down below. Okay, also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That helps this channel as well, and please share this video if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.